Siku 16 dhidi ya dhuluma za kijinsia zikiendelea kuadhimishwa kote duniani, mashirika mbalimbali ya wanaharakati yamejumuika pamoja na wanajamii kupinga dhuluma hizo za kijinsia katika eneo la Mkuru kwa Ruben. Washikadau kutoka kwa mashirika hayo wamependekeza pia uhamasisho kwa jamii kupitia elimu ya shule. Aidha, wanaume pia wamehimizwa kuwa kipaumbele katika kupinga dhuluma hizo.
Part of our work includes advising even the faith-based organizations whom we have been talking to within these particular days to ensure that even in churches and wherever we are, where the community is mostly, that they are aware of gender-based violence and work towards ending the same.
As working in the informal settlement is an area where we meet many cases of GBV, and these cases, majority of them go unreported. So what we do is that we run community dialogue groups that create sensitization in the community so that they can be able to open up and let the cases come to the attention of the authority and all the stakeholders who are concerned, so that we can together be able to combat the GBV, which is mostly affecting women here in Mukuru.
We also sensitize on the issues of children living with disabilities because they are also most affected. They are vulnerable, and most of the time they are not even able to express these cases when they happen to them.